Oh, you could be feeling this person's presence already. So I do see, medyo malakas yung pakiramdam mo, yung intuition mo, sweetheart, no? No matter what you call it, kutob, whatever. But I do pick up that this is you. You're already feeling this person's presence, no? Yung parang kahit wala siya, no? Diyan sa tabi mo, ramdam na ramdam mo itong tao na ito, no? So parang may energy na ganon. Maybe this person here is far away from you, definitely sa location, physically far from you sa location, but we're gonna see other details, no, patungkol dito, no? Yeah, so let us see what do we have here sa inyong reading. Just take only what resonates, guys, alright? Thank you so much, Istam buyers. Okay, you make me happy. Okay, sobra. Oh, ang cheesy ko. So let us see what do we have here for you guys today. Whoever I'm picking up today, I do feel like that you have this very spiritual, um, you are someone who's very spiritual, very intuitive. That's what I'm picking up from you guys. So let me see. Oh, may magbabalik sa buhay ninyo mga babes ha, but I'm not getting strongly na ex nyo lang ito. Actually, kung sino man tong magbabalik sa buhay ninyo with the Wheel of Fortune right in here and there's this lovers, Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups, no, isa lang ang ibig sabihin nito. Kung sino man 'tong magbabalik sa buhay ninyo 'no, sino man 'yan, hindi lang 'yan ex mo 'no, 'yan ang person na basta special daw sa'yo. Queen of Cups energy, Ten of Cups na special, like definitely gusto mong jowain 'yan. Kung di mo pa nagiging jowa 'yan, puwedeng yung iba thought ganyan 'yan 'no, so may gano'n kayong klase ng energy. Iba naman, okey, but yeah, hindi pa rin natin nililimit lang doon 'no, yung iba siguro 'no, puwedeng naging ex niyo na siya dati or puwede na rin na parang muntik na maging kayo 'no, or yung iba naman talaga naging kayo pero puwedeng naudlot or naputol ang inyong connection. Basta kung sino itong magbabalik sa buhay mo, espesyal 'yan sa'yo. Antaray! So, let me keep moving. Ilatag muna natin lahat sa ating table 'no, ng mga energies dito, bago natin pag-usapan pa more itong wow, wow! May twist of fate dito, Eight of Cups in reverse position, Seven of Cups right in here, and the Knight of Cups energy. This is a clue, okay? I'm gonna tell it to you later. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Eastern buyers. Thank you po sa inyong walang sawang love and support para sa akin. Kung hindi niyo pa alam, meron pa tayong main channel ang The High Priestess. Ang link niyan down below sa ating description box. If interested, just click that link para mapunta kayo doon at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At kung hanap ninyo ay reading per zodiac sign, meron din tayo doon. At yun nga, wala tayong gender dito ha, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit yarn kasi general reading po ito. And at the end of the day, everybody, you have your free will with you. Like free niyo yung gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, timeless din tayo dito, pwede nangyari na to some of you, pwede nangyayari na ngayon, and sa iba ay pwedeng mangyayari pa lang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates now. Dito, may magbabalik sa life ninyo with the Wheel of Fortune. At kung sino man yung magbabalik sa life ninyo mga babes, no, this is someone here na nakikita ko na very special siya sa'yo. Queen of Cups, Ten of Cups energy, no, pwedeng minsan mo na pinagnasahan. Minsan mo na 'no, na parang nagustuhan yung tao na 'yan 'no. Pero yung iba 'no, subconsciously, puwedeng hindi lang kayo masyadong aware, but with this Four of Swords energy, Two of Wands, puwedeng hinihintay niyo pa rin siya sa inyong heart 'no, but you're not aware, okay? Subconsciously. So, I do pick up that whoever this energy is, I do see that this person here 'no, there's a twist of fate na mangyayari rito. Dito, iba na ang takbo ng istorya ninyo. Dito, ang roles ninyo ay mag-iiba na. Yan o, universe with the Justice card energy. Okay? Look at that, isn't it? Na parang kamukha ito ng two chalices or two cups right in here, no? Ito, tignan mo. Okay? See? So, kung ano man ito yung klase ng energy na dito sa kwentong ito. Kaya kung kaibigan mo lang yan dati, no, dito sa istorya ninyong dalawa ngayon, magjowa kayo. Ayan, no? At kung dati, no, ay magjowa kayo pero bigla kayo ritong nagkahiwalay, no, dito sa istorya na to, marriage ang nakikita ko, no? At yung iba na tot, ganyo yan, no, babalik yan, hindi na yan mag-got away. Dahil nakikita ko dito magbabalik siya rito, no? So, yeah, kung yan ang friend mo dati, kaklase mo lang siya dati, yun lang ang role ninyo rito sa isa't isa. Okay? This time, okay, iba ang twist of fate ninyo. Okay? Love, relationship, connection, commitment is what I'm seeing from you. And I do see that with the Seven of Pentacles, Two of Wands, no, this is something here na nakikita ko, no, na bibigyan mo talaga ng oras, panahon, and ganun din siya sa'yo. There's this reciprocity, there's this partnership with the Two of Wands energy, and I do pick up that you're meant dito, no? Na talaga na muling mag-cross ang inyong paths, and this time, no, may twist of fate kasi etong person na to, no, ay iba na yung role ninyo, at ngayon, no, ay magkakaroon kayo ng connection sa love, heart to heart, no? Yun ang nakikita natin dito. And meron ditong clue na binigay si Universe, no, with the Eight of Cups in reverse, Seven of Cups right in here, Knight of Cups, no? Ang taong ito, malalaman mo ang hudyat, ang taray, hudyat. Malalaman mo na pabalik na rito yung special person mo kapag nag-message na sa'yo ang ex mo, yung iba hindi niyo naman ex, 'no, puwedeng, nakaaway ninyo dati basta, kung may mag-message man sa inyo na ex ninyo or nakaaway mo dati, ibig sabihin yun na yung sign na parating na etong someone special para sa'yo. Wow, that's very clear, very vivid message coming from the universe, napakalinaw. And I do pick up that whoever this energy is, no, binibigyan kayo rito ng chance. Yes, chance ni universe, no, with the wheel of fortune right in here, no, na magkaroon ng pagsasalo, no, when it comes to love. And I do pick up na mas magiging madalas nang papanaginipan mo siya. Others, you could be seeing his or her face again and you're like, oh, bakit ko siya napapanaginipan? Super tagal ko na siyang huling nakita. Others, hindi mo makikita yung face niya but you're gonna hear his or her voice in your dreams, no? And then, boom! Okay? You will wonder, why? Bakit ko siya napapanaginipan ulit? Bakit naririnig ko yung boses niya sa panaginip ko? What is the meaning of this, no? Hindi ka na magtataka because na-reveal ko na sa'yo rito ang reason why. Because both of you, no, ay destined for each other, no? There's a twist ng inyong fate at nakikita natin dito, no, that destiny will definitely make your paths cross again. And I do see that you are gonna invest with each other, both of you. I'm seeing this person here very giving from his or her side sa'yo. And I'm seeing that this person also, no, is very giving sa side mo dito. And yes, nakikita natin dito, no, that both of you, there will be reciprocity. You will look each other eye to eye. And I do see, no, that this is such a wonderful feeling para sa inyong dalawa. Because both of you, parang you never thought na magkakabalikan pa kayo or magkikita pa kayo because I told you guys, maybe this is your friend right in here, but now you will be his or her lover. Look. But for others of you, this could be your ex right in here and you never thought that you are gonna coming back sa isa't isa na. But yeah, the message, if this is your ex right in here, no, ang tinutukoy kong ex na magme-message sa'yo dyan ay yung toxic mong ex. So, kung may ex ka ditong babalik sa life mo, okay, this is the type of ex, no, na iba na ex mo. Because ang nakikita ko mag-message dito, if hindi kaaway mo, no, 'di ba yung sign, magte-text or kokontakin ka ng ex mo or ng kaaway mo bago dumating itong tao na 'to or bumalik sa life mo 'no, yung ko-contact sa'yo puwedeng yun yung pinaka-toxic mong ex or nakaaway mo dati 'no, ng matindi, okey? So, it could be anyone din as well. But then again, okay, I do see that whoever this energy is 'no, you never thought of seeing each other again, okay? Because you think it's impossible to happen na, okay? Maybe meron na ritong balita na lumipat na ng bahay malayong-malayo, puwedeng nagpunta na sa ibang bansa 'no, like puwedeng nakalimutan ka na niya, nasa isip mo yon and gano'n din siya rito, vice versa. But I do see the twist of fate. Alam mo hindi mo naman talaga alam 'no, kung kailan talaga magiging mapaglaro ang tadhana 'no, 'pag trip ng tadhana yun na talaga yun, 'di ba? Trip na makapangyarihan, 'di ba? Sa kanta ng River Maya. So, definitely ang trip talaga ni universe ay sadyang makapangyarihan na. But definitely, this will make you very happy and so din dito sa tao na ito. I do pick up that you still feel each other's presence kahit na matagal na kayong nagkalayo or matagal nang walang balita, matagal hindi nag-usap or whatsoever, no? So, nakikita natin dito, no, na mag-e-end na ang inyo ritong separation, no, sa inyong body because I do pick up, no, that your soul-to-soul connection will pull you guys back into each other's arms, 'no? Kung akala mo tapos na ang kuwento niya sa life mo at wala na siyang role, meron pa dito. At nakikita natin dito gano'n ka rin sa kanya. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to magbabalik, 'no? Pero yun nga 'no, hindi lang ito tungkol sa ex mo, kundi kung sino man yung someone special sa'yo na up until now special pa rin siya sa'yo, puwedeng yung iba hindi lang kayo totally aware pero special pa rin siya sa life ninyo then boom, yun na yan, okey? Totga mo, friend mo dati, whatever. I do pick up 'no, that this is the type of connection that now your story will be different, okay? Pero for sure, ito ay isang klase ng love story. Wow! So, very calming. This person is very appreciative. Nakikita ko dito kahit may gawin ka lang na maliit na bagay, gesture of love, kahit little gesture of love, sobrang ma-appreciate niya yun here, guys. And I do see that material things na hindi importante sa kanya, mas importante sa kanya dito quality time, moments with you, no? And syempre, yung um, act of love niya 'no, is yung, gusto niya yung iha-hug mo siya, iki-kiss mo siya 'no, cuddle here 'no, here and there. Or hahawakan mo yung kamay niya 'no, so those things, okay? Or just leaning your head 'no, sa kanyang shoulder 'no, so yung mga gano'n ding klase ng energy. Definitely, okay, yung iyo ritong, touch, okay, yun yung pinakagusto niya ritong ma-receive 'no, at hindi yung mga material things. Wow! So, yeah, mga babes, I'm seeing that this person right in here, no, IOTW na sa'yo in spirit, no, in the spiritual realm. But I'm definitely getting that this person here, you are already feeling him or her, no, because you are highly spiritual, you're very intuitive, sweetheart, and this person here, no, huwag na kayong magtaka kung magpa-pop up siya sa dreams ninyo 'no, yung iba blurred 'no, pero alam mong siya yun. Pero yung iba 'no, yung voice niya sounds familiar, siya yun. Okay? So, yeah, for the initials right in here, yes, we do have YWCU. We also have here EALR, and last but not the least, we've got the letter J. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you, sweethearts. Again, I'm your Yana. On me for the girls and Yana Duna for the boys. Sarang hey, love and light, your bun. Annyeong.